What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you our first impressions on this product sent in by OEDRO. Alright, kinfolk, so OEDRO was kind enough to provide this product here, man, and they sent it out to me, so we're gonna do our first impressions. And OEDRO is a very, very cool company, man. They've got all kinds of parts for not only Jeeps, but also trucks, and they have a variety of stuff, man. They've got bumpers, they've got running boards, they've got light bars, lighting for Jeeps, trucks, everything, man. Tonneau covers and bed covers and stuff. So if you want to check them out, man, go check them out. They're also on Instagram. I'll leave that down below as well. So if you want to check this product out that we're about to do the first impressions on, the link will be down below as well. Make sure you go check them out, man, and let them know Knuckles sent you. And but let's go ahead and get to it. So they reached out to me and had told me that, you know, they had all these items on their website, and so I went and started looking, man. They've also got very nice looking floor mats over there as well. So but the thing that caught my eye, because on this Jeep is my wife's 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK, right? So JKU. And so so what caught my eye, man, was this car trunk organizer, right? And so they sent it, you know, all packed up, really nice. And it's portable. Not only is it portable, but it also comes with this bag cooler, man, which y'all know me. Anywhere we go, we gotta have a cooler, if you know what I mean. So, really cool, man. And it comes with the logo on it there. And, you know, like I said, it's portable. But the cool thing is it also drops inside this organizer. So let me go ahead and pop this bad boy open. So it has straps that once you collapse it, you can lock it up. And then once you undo them, look at that, kinfolk. Look at that. Really cool, man. It's got pockets inside of it.
With a zipper, that's really cool.
With a zipper. So you can zip it up. This here. You've got storage pockets all on the side of it, all the way down it. So you got these collapsible. It's kind of like a hard plastic that drops down inside, so it keeps it sturdy, right? And you got one here as well. Drops down in there, and then you also do got this thing here to where you can make a divider, I guess, yeah?
I'm guessing
so,
yeah.
You can Velcro it like that, make you a divider there. Or you can make a shorter divider. Alright, so I got it all sorted out now. Apologize for that. So these here, man, are removable to where you can make certain size pockets, storage containers, right? And then, like I said, you've got this center one, and then you've got this one here with a zipper as well. You've got all these storage pockets on the side. On the back side, you've even got storage here on this side, not the back side, but this side here, and you can tighten it up. Flip it around. You've got the same pockets on the back side as you do the other side there. So, and then, like I said, you can collapse it, right? So, say you don't need the middle part. Pull it up, collapse it in, and then you can just make it smaller to where you have it like that. So that is really cool. A lot of functions, man. Makes it really nice to where you've got the adjustability of making it how wide or how small you need it. The cooler will also just drop in. Let's see here. Drop in right in the center.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
So you can tote this anywhere you want to. It also comes with some straps, man. So once you get it in your vehicle, you have the ability to strap it down on each side. So you have these, let me show you on this side. You have these straps here, right? And then you can latch it on there. You hook it to whatever you need to hook it to, and then tighten her down. And it goes on both sides. Like that. Like I said, man, it's really cool. What really caught my eye about this is the functionality, right? And the diversity of this thing, that you can make it as big as you want, as small as you want. We'll throw it in the trunk, in the Jeep real quick, and show you how it fits in there. And this thing is really cool. Removable cooler. So you go out camping, you're out on the beach, man, and you want to take a couple cold drinks with you, drop them in there, take it to wherever you're going to be at, right? Instead of toting around a big old cooler. And then you can put, like I said, you know, tools, like if you're running a Jeep, your tow straps, whatever you need in here, man. These here, like I said, are removable, and you can make this one big pocket, or you can divide it up into different sections. This is really cool too, man, with the zipper, and you can put stuff in there as well. So let's, again, if it does, you do tote tools and stuff in there, you're able just to take it and tote the whole thing to wherever you need it to, which I thought was really cool. So let's drop it in the Jeep and see what it looks like.
Wow, that fits perfectly.
Fits amazing. Fits amazing, man. So, sorry I've got covering my top.
I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it. It's just so bright out here.
Yeah. So it'll work in a car. It'll work in the back seat of your truck. It'll work in the Jeep. So the diversity of this thing is amazing. The quality, man. The material is really nice. This is like a
like a canvas.
Canvas kind of, with your netting. The bottom, it's got rubber little mounts there, or not mounts, but rubber feet to where it avoids sliding as well. And then it looks like you got waterproof material here, so it doesn't let water get inside of there. And but yeah, really, really cool, man. Another thing is, the reason why I thought about getting this thing here is because, as y'all know, we do a lot of mudding, and we've got the Can-Am back there. Let's see what it looks like on the Can-Am. All right, again, folks, so not only can you tote this in your Jeep, your truck, your car, whatever, man. If you wanted to, you could also strap it down to a side-by-side. So that's really cool. Even probably a four-wheeler if you condensed it down some, right? So that's really awesome. I love the versatility of it, man. Not only that, if you don't want to tote this whole thing, the cooler itself can also be strapped down. It's got tie downs on the side as well, on each side. So if you wanted to, you strap that joker down right there, full of your cold drinks, man. And that's another reason why I really, really like this whole setup right here. Because before, what I would do is I got a cooler backpack, and I would have to strap the straps around the cooler, around the seat, and to hold the backpack so I didn't lose the backpack. But this is going to be amazing because I'm definitely going to be using this when we go out mudding. So again, man, check out the link below. The company is OEDRO. They've got many, many products, man. Like I said, they've got running boards, they've got metal fenders for Jeeps, they've got floor mats, the thick floor mats, all season floor mats, bumpers, lights, tonneau covers, bed covers, underneath seat storage as well for trucks. So really cool, man. And yeah, like I said, just go down, click the link below, check them out, let them know Knuckles sent you if you go to their Instagram, man, and give them a follow. And yeah, I'll be definitely using this thing, trying it out. Folks, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I hope you go give them a follow. Go check them out. And like I said, let them know Knuckles sent you. And until the next adventure, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.